Hello, my name is Marie-Hélène Como. I'm a Francophone artist who's been living in the Yukon since '92. And for the last few years, I've been in charge of a very cool project called La Caravane des 10 mots, the 10-word Caravan. So I'm in charge of the Yukon chapter. So every year there's 10 new words in French who are being selected, and the artists from all around the world who speak French are invited to take those words and to do art projects with members of their community. So that's what I've been doing in the Yukon for the last few years. And at the ATCO gallery, that's the result of the workshop I gave last year at École Émilie-Tremblay. So I worked with the kids to create something linked with those 10 words. So it was possible to do that project with the support of PassepART program, with the Commission Scolaire Francophone du Yukon and l'Association Franco-Yukonaise. So for the creation this time, what we did, we got inspired by an artist called Ruby Sylvious. And what she does is she uses old tea bags, and she uses the paper, she reuses it and do watercolor with it. So I introduced them to that artist, and after that the kids had to paint their own watercolor painting on their tea bags, inspired by her art and inspired by one of the 10 words in French of the program. So voila, this is the result of a great collaboration that I'm presenting to you at ATCO Art Gallery.